Listen, I don't know what you're going through right now. I don't know if you're tired, broken, lost, or disappointed in yourself, but I do know this. Your comeback doesn't start tomorrow. It starts right now. Tomorrow is a lie we tell ourselves when we're scared to begin today. You've waited long enough. You've suffered long enough. You've doubted yourself long enough. This is the moment, the one where people either rise or they stay exactly the same. And you didn't come here to stay the same. Let's be honest. You've been fighting battles no one knows about. You keep smiling, but your heart is tired. You show up for people who never showed up for you. You give love to people who never returned it. You've carried weight that wasn't yours to hold, and somewhere along the way, you stopped believing in yourself. But hear me, your pain is not a prison. Your pain is training. Life has been shaping you quietly, preparing you for a version of yourself you haven't even met yet. Your comeback is not because you're weak. Your comeback is happening because you're strong. There is no perfect moment, no perfect day, no perfect version of you. People who wait for perfect moments end up waiting their entire lives. The truth is simple. Your comeback begins the second you stop waiting and start moving. You don't need all the answers. You don't need motivation. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to take one step, one decision, one action. The comeback doesn't require perfection. It only requires courage. Your comeback isn't about going back to who you were. It's about becoming someone stronger, someone who doesn't break easily, someone who understands their worth, someone who refuses to settle. You're not rebuilding the old you. You're creating a new version, one with scars, wisdom, perspective, and fire. You've survived too much to stay small. No comeback is possible if you keep holding on to the things that broke you, the toxic people, the habits that drain you, the doubts that suffocate you. They can't come with you into your next chapter. If it's costing your peace, your self-respect, your dreams, it's too expensive. Your comeback requires pruning, removing, letting go. It will hurt, but so does staying stuck. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is transformation. Show up on the days you don't want to. Show up when nobody is watching. Show up when the results are slow. Discipline is uncomfortable, but regret is unbearable. Your comeback is built in the small choices. Waking up a little earlier, saying no to distractions, staying focused on your path, doing the right thing when no one sees you. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. There is a version of you, a future version, standing at the finish line, begging you not to quit now. That version of you is strong, happy, successful, proud, free. And they only exist if you keep going. Every time you choose discipline, you move closer to that future. Every time you choose excuses, you walk away from it. Ask yourself, what would the strongest version of me do today? Then do exactly that. Your comeback is personal. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Not your family, not your friends, not the people who judged you. Let your silence confuse them. Let your results speak for you. Let your transformation shock them. You don't need approval. You need progress. Stop comparing your life to others. You are not late. You are not slow. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be to become who you're meant to become. Some people start fast and fade. Others start late and finish strong. Your story isn't their story. Your timing isn't their timing. Your comeback will be different. And that's exactly why it will be powerful. Every comeback in history starts with one simple moment, a decision, a moment where you look at your life and say, enough, I deserve better. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when life gets easier. Right now. Success isn't built in the future, it's built in the present. Your comeback is waiting for you. Your future is waiting for you. Your strength is waiting for you. But it won't come to you. You must rise and take it. This is the chapter where everything changes. The chapter where you stop surviving and start living. The chapter where you stop waiting and start becoming. And it all starts with one truth. Your comeback starts now, not tomorrow.